The sound was ordinary. His body's reaction was not. He has done this 1,000 times. Section the hair, lift the brush, turn on the dryer. But today, the sudden rush of sound hits differently. The blow dryer roars near his ear, and his throat tightens instantly. His breath goes light and quick, as if his chest forgot how to slow down. Nothing is wrong, no emergency, no clear reason, just sound, just a nervous system reacting before words arrive. Trauma can do that. It can turn ordinary noise into something the body reads as alarm. He lowers the dryer for a second and smiles at the client through the mirror. Then he grounds himself quietly, both feet firm, shoulders dropping, one slow exhale. When he starts again, the sound is still loud, but his body is no longer alone with it. And sometimes healing looks exactly like that. A person staying gentle with themselves in the middle of an ordinary task, their nervous system briefly turned into something harder. If certain places, sounds, or smells leave you breathless without warning, invisible breathlessness can help you understand what your body may be remembering and how to gently calm it.